and welcome back to the Projects module. In our previous lesson, we finished exploring the project schedule configuration options such as milestones and Gantt view, as well as how to manage time allocated and spent. Let's create a new project and configure all the features related to project scope and schedule, like we discussed in previous lessons. Let's press New to create a new project. Note that we can create a new project as we are logged in as Mitchell Admin, our user with Project Administrator access rights. Let's name our project Interior Design Head Office. Let's set billable for this project and press Create button. Let's return to Projects Overview, select our new project, press 3 dots and select Settings. We can customize the default task's name if required. In this case, let's leave it as Tasks. Let's populate a customer and select Azure Interior. Next, we can set any tags on the project. Tags are a helpful Odoo organizational tool. Let's start typing EXT as we want to note that this project is external. If we don't see necessary tag, we can select Create and Edit. We will see our newly created tag. Below, we can specify which company this project belongs to, if operating in a multi-company environment. We see that the company field has defaulted to the company we are currently logged in as in our database, as we see displayed in the top right. We can specify the project manager of this project, which is defaulted to the logged-in user creating the project. Let's leave our project manager as Mitchell Admin. As we have activated planning in our configuration settings menu, we can set the planned dates and allocated time for the project. Let's set tomorrow as the starting date of the project, 1 month from now as the end date, and allocate 12 hours for this project. Under the Description tab, let's write Contract to redesign Azure Interior's corporate office. Note that customers with portal access to the project can view the description of a project. Next, let's navigate to the Settings tab. We can set who can view the project. Hovering over the question mark at visibility, a helpful tooltip describing the different options is displayed. By default, this setting is set to Invited Portal Users and All Internal Users. To invite external users to view the project, we can select Share Project on the top left, where an invite pop-out appears. Let's press this button. Here we can create a share link which can be shared with a non-portal user, and all comments will be displayed from a public user. Or invite a portal user to the project. Sharing a project will add the user as a follower to the project. Let's start typing AZ into the recipient field and select Nicole Ford and Colleen Diaz from Azure Interior, as we want our client to be able to view tasks associated with this project and send. Let's say that we are hiring an external interior designer contractor for the project, and we want them to be able to create and edit tasks in the project. Let's select Share Project on the top left once more and start typing Amy Watson, our contractor. Let's select Access Mode for her as Edit with limited access. Let's now click into the Followers Smart button in the far right, where we see Nicole and Amy are listed as followers. Let's come back to the settings of the Office Design project. We also see in the chatter that invites have been sent to the respective followers and collaborators. This is a handy feature to keep a record of invites that have been sent to external users for access to the project. The Create Tasks by sending an email to alias is helpful Odoo functionality. Here we can specify an email address where tasks will be automatically created in the project from an incoming email. Let's leave it empty for this time. Under Task Management, we have options available to help better manage tasks in the Office Design project, task dependencies, and milestones. These options are displayed as we have activated them in Project Configuration Settings. As we have the functionality of all task management types activated in settings, we can choose to activate any of these features on this specific project. For now, let's leave all task management functionalities ticked. A demonstration of these functionalities has been reviewed in earlier lessons. Under Time Management, we can choose to have timesheets that allow us to log time on tasks and to plan resources for this project. Note that this functionality is available because we have the timesheets and planning modules installed in this database and have configured these options under Project Settings. The full functionality of these features will be explored in future lessons. Let's leave both these time management functionalities ticked. As we have the accounting module installed on this database, under Sales and Invoicing we have the option to make this project billable and invoice time and materials for the customer. As we are completing this project for the client Azure Interior, and we have ticked billable, so we can bill time to the client. That's why a new tab, Invoicing, appeared. Here we can add employees, set a different hourly cost, and set the sale order item that will be the default on all tasks and timesheets associated with this project for future invoicing. We will return to this tab in future lessons when discussing the full functionality of invoicing time spent on projects and project cost management. Moving back up to the Settings tab, we also have the option Products on Tasks. This allows us to track the materials used to complete tasks. Under Documents and Analytics, we can set a specific folder so that all documents related to this project will be stored. This functionality is available as we have the Documents module installed in this database, and the Use Documents functionality activated in this database. Let's leave the folder set to Projects Interior Design. Like the use of tags in projects, the tags functionality in documents can be a helpful way to organize your documents. These tags are specific to the Documents module. You can watch our course on Documents for further details on the full functionality of the Documents module. There is the functionality of gathering feedback from customers through the Customer Ratings feature. We can ask for a customer rating when the project stage is changed or on periodic rating. For now, let's leave the configuration as is, as we want to ask for customer feedback when the project is changed to a different stage. We will discuss the full functionality of the Customer Ratings feature in a future lesson. Now we have successfully reviewed all the configuration options related to project scope and schedule for a project. Why don't you head to the next lesson, where we will explore the full functionality of the project cost management within a specific project. Thanks for watching, and until next time.